wonderful people. I am Amoke Peperempe. Amoke Omo Baba Abilio Nilu. Don't be scared because of the name. You see, this page is for all of us, not Yoruba people alone. And that is why most of my videos are always subtitled. So even if you are not a Yoruba person, you can get the message via the subtitles at my service as a chanter, shoutout artist. You don't have to be a Yoruba person before you patronize me. Efik, Ibibio, Edo, Hausa, Shekiri. Name your language. Feel free to DM. I have something very special for you. If you want it in your language, in English language, don't be scared. Just DM. And my Yoruba people, teba fe oriki yin ni èdè Yoruba tó jinlẹ̀, tá ní fi ojo pojo, ẹ kàn sí mi. Number te fi kàn sí mi náà lẹ ń wò yìí. Don't be scared. I create something very special. I won't create one video for 2 people or 3 people. That is why my service is very special. It is either personalized or customized or unique videos made for special people like you. What are you waiting for? DM me. Let's create magic. Let's create something very special, unique as you. My DM is open. I love you. See you. Bye.